Did you know that cleaning your home can be as unhealthy as smoking 20 cigarettes a day? Yep. A 20-year research study has found that using spray cleaners, chlorine, bleach, and other disinfectants can lead to chest tightness, wheezing, and other respiratory ailments. Cleaning is unpleasant enough without causing you disease while you do it. So why not try cleaning in a more healthy fashion? Instead of using a cocktail of toxic chemicals, try using all-natural vinegar instead. Research studies have found that vinegar is actually more effective in reducing microbial contamination than alternative cleaners anyways, and it doesn't harmfully impact your health. You can pour some vinegar into a spray bottle of your choice and voila, you're good to go. You can also clean your floors with vinegar for an all-natural, chemical-free way to remove dirt and grime. Just mix about 1/4 cup of vinegar for every gallon of water for a rinse-free clean. And vinegar is also a deodorizer, so it's perfect for cleaning sinks and making drains smell better. So start cleaning your home with all-natural cleaning solutions today for a healthier, happier you. I'm Jason Winningham, and this has been your Green Tip of the Week.